In this video, we will see what is string. So this is the most important and most extensively used data type in Java. And this is being asked in written and interviews everywhere. So this is very important. So let's see what is string. A string is a series of characters gathered together like the word hello or the sentence hello world. So internally, string is a series of characters. So it can be a single word or it can be a sentence. And internally, it is stored like an array. So we can access different characters in string using indexes like we do for array. Internally, this hello world will be stored like this. H is 0th index, E is 1. And if you notice here, this space is also taking a space. So it will be denoted by 5. Okay. We can create a string in two ways. One is string literal and second is using new keyword. So for written and interview purpose, we will be looking at this string literal way. So you will just have to create a string by string str hello world. This will create a string for you. And other way is string str new string. Here two objects get created. This we will cover when we read about objects. But for now, you just concentrate on this. So there are many methods provided by string class, and we will learn all of them and we will solve questions on all of them. So let's see what all methods are. See, length. This method will give you length of a string. It returns an integer. And basic syntax is str.length. So this str is nothing but a string variable. Then caret. This is very important. Using this, we can access characters in that string. So if we do this str.caret 0, we will get this h. So this is very important while we are running the loop. And then we will learn about this split method. So what a split method does is it returns an array of a string. Okay, and this does not change the actual string. And if we are splitting on space, we will get separate words. Okay, so we will be learning these program. How to reverse a given string. How do you check if a string is palindrome? How to iterate over a string and print all characters. How to print words in a string. And many more. So let's get started now. We will create a class myString. You can give any name. Now we will create a main method. Okay, and see, now we are going to create our first string variable. So this is string str equal to hello world. So this is how we create a string literal. Now we will go through. So we are going to check this program, how to iterate over a string and print all the characters. So we will write a loop I equal to 0. Remember, this loop will always start from 0 because strings are 0 index based like array. And now we will have to find out till when we will run this loop. So we have got a method called length. This will tell you what is the length of string. So let's first print the length of string. str.length. this will print the length of a string. So we will see from here what is the length. It's going till 11. So its length is actually, let's run and see, 12. Why 12? Because it is starting from 0. So we will have to run loop till 11 to reach the last character. So what we will do for our loop, for int I equal to 0, when I is less than equal to str length minus 1, because this is returning us 12 and we want to go till 11 only. This is 11. So either you write less than equal to string length minus 1, or better write this. Now we will make use of caret method. So str.caret I, we are printing ith character. So when first loop runs, in first iteration, I will be 0. Let's print it here only, so we will learn it better. I equal to plus I and at I equal to plus. See, let me give a space here. Now we will run. In first iteration, I was 0. So at 0, we have H. At second iteration, I was 1. And at 1, we have E. Here, I have not used capital. That's why it is printing small. So we are going through this. Or better, we will make it capital. Now, at 2, it is printing L. At 3, it is printing L, then O. And at 5, there is a space. So it is printing a space. And like this, you can iterate over it. In next video, we will see how to reverse this string.